An adjustable 4 to 8 degree tilt and slim front lets you type at a comfortable angle. Choose between red, blue, or brown switches for the right level of sound and tactile key feedback. White backlighting in 5 patterns lets you be productive your way, even in the dark. A modern and durable aluminum design gives you all the mechanics of a gaming keyboard in a sleek premium package that lasts. A full-size keyboard featuring a number pad and FN keys, all in a surprisingly compact footprint. Why go mechanical? Ultra-durable switches offer a multisensory typing experience for speed and accuracy. Choose linear, tactile, or clicky switches for the sound and feel that fits your typing style. Type with ease, even after dark. Light the entire keyboard to see every key, or choose between 5 lighting patterns for work or play. Set the mood with breathing or snake patterns. Reactive lighting lights up each key you hit, while a random pattern lends a twinkling effect. Top reviews from the United States. Quality construction. 1. Compact but full-size. 2. No fancy bells and whistles. 3. Backlighting is fantastic. 4. Very sturdy with quality construction and materials. 5. Keys are lightweight with a nice feel to them. Reminds me of the Dell keyboards so many of us used back around 2000 to 2010 era. The design itself is reminiscent.